The Garden of Friendship. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and fragrant orchards, two best friends, Aisha and Fatima, shared a bond that seemed to defy time. Their laughter echoed through the narrow streets, and their dreams intertwined like the branches of ancient trees. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, an elderly villager whispered to them about a mysterious garden hidden deep within the enchanted forest. Legend had it that this garden held the secret to everlasting friendship. Eager to explore the magic that could strengthen their already unbreakable bond, Aisha and Fatima decided to embark on a journey to find this mythical place. Their path was filled with winding trails, whispering leaves, and the distant calls of unseen creatures. As they ventured deeper into the heart of the forest, they faced challenges that tested their patience and faith. Through each trial, they leaned on the teachings of their shared faith, finding strength in the unity of their purpose. After days of exploration, guided by the soft glow of fireflies and the rustling of leaves, Aisha and Fatima stumbled upon the fabled garden. Its entrance was adorned with blossoms of every color imaginable, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers. As they stepped into the garden, they felt an overwhelming sense of peace and tranquility. The garden seemed to pulsate with the warmth of friendship, and the air buzzed with the sound of whispered promises. Within the garden, Aisha and Fatima encountered trials that challenged the very core of their friendship. They faced moments of disagreement, misunderstanding, and even moments of doubt. However, each challenge only strengthened their resolve to nurture their friendship with patience, forgiveness, and love. They learned that the garden was not just a place, it was a reflection of the values they held dear, values rooted in their shared Islamic beliefs. The flowers symbolized kindness, the trees stood for strength, and the flowing streams represented the continuity of their friendship. As they emerged from the garden, Aisha and Fatima were transformed. Their friendship, now fortified by the trials they had faced, radiated a warmth that touched everyone in the village. The lessons they learned echoed through the community, fostering a sense of unity and understanding among its residents. Returning to their village, Aisha and Fatima shared the tale of the magical garden and the invaluable lessons it had imparted. The villagers listened with awe, realizing that the key to a flourishing community lay in the principles of kindness, patience, and forgiveness. And so, the village, once a collection of homes, became a true community, a garden of friendships, flourishing under the gentle care of its inhabitants, inspired by the timeless tale of Aisha and Fatima and the enchanting garden that had bound them together forever.